In this video, I would like to talk with you about affiliate links in your blog. Now, I'm currently on tim.blog, so basically Tim Ferriss's blog that I personally think is absolutely amazing. But I don't want to talk about the content of the blog. I rather want to talk with you about the links inside the blog. Now, Tim Ferriss earns a lot of money through affiliate links every single day. Why? Because he creates content that is full of links. It's absolutely full of links. I just picked a random article from his blog, but you can see everywhere in his article, he has links. Now, what kind of links are that? Let's actually take one link as an example, like this one right here. If you want a more personalized approach, I recommend their one-on-one service. So let's actually open this link and see what this is. And there we go. This is a promo link. When you look up here in the URL, you're gonna see that this is a promo link, promotion. Tim Ferriss is actually earning money with this. So whenever someone is clicking on it, that will open this page right here, and it says free $99 upgrade. See for yourself why Tim recommends 99 designs to help you grow your business. Let dozens of designers compete to deliver the best custom design. The upgrade gives you about 130% more designs and 100% money back guarantee, and then you can click on claim offer. So this right here is an affiliate link. Tim is earning money through referring you to this free $99 upgrade. So let's actually go back and let's have a look at a couple more links. So it says right here, the best part, you provide your feedback and then you end up with a product that you're happy with or your money back. Click this link and get a $99 upgrade. So another link, the same link basically right here. And then this podcast is also brought to you by FreshBooks. Let's open this one and let's see whether this is also a promo link. And I bet you anything it is. Online invoicing, yes, it is also an affiliate link. It's also a promotional affiliate link. So when you sign up, Tim is actually gonna earn money with you or through you. So let's actually have a look at a couple more. Then right now you can get a free month of complete and unrestricted use. Let's look at this. And as you can see, it's basically the same link again. It is a promo link. It's an affiliate link. Let's scroll down a little bit further and let's have a look. So let's see right here. Peloton is offering listeners to this show a special offer. Visit onepeloton.com and enter the code TIM. So again, it's an affiliate link. He's earning with all of these links money. Whenever you are going to any of these websites on here, he's gonna earn money through you. I think even through the click, he is earning money. So we just gave him some money. So in the end, affiliate links are a great way to monetize your blog. You just put a lot of affiliate links into your blog, and believe me, some people are gonna click them and you're gonna earn money by, for instance, people just clicking them, but also at the same time, when they then purchase on their website, you of course are gonna earn money again. So alright, that was it now here for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we are gonna see each other in the next one.